What's up, guys? It's your girl Bree Michelle here. If this is your first time here, and in today's video we are putting up the Christmas tree and different holiday decorations around the house, and we have a special guest in today's video, so something a little different. You guys know me, I go ahead and jump straight into it. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload from me. So here we are just rearranging the house. Look, we got toys and stuff all behind the couch and just all type of stuff. So the tree is a little wide, so we do have to, move some furniture around, but that's okay. So I was going to get a real tree this year, but I decided to opt for a fake tree just because I wanted to go ahead and get this video recorded and up for you guys, and the fake trees were not out just yet. So we went ahead and just got a pre-lit fake tree. I'm sorry, the real trees were not out yet. So we went ahead and got a pre-lit fake tree, and it is 7.5 feet, I believe. So you guys already know I have to have my glass of wine for everything I do. And then we're just tuning into some Christmas movies at the moment. So I think we're about to watch Klaus or Claus. I can't think of how you pronounce it, but it is a really good movie and it is on Netflix. If you guys have not checked it out, it is a kids movie cartoon, but it is so good. So we decided to put that movie on. So putting the tree together is pretty boring, so I opted to just skip out on a couple of parts of us opening up the, I don't know what you want to call them, but doing this right here. I try to skip a lot of that out because it was really redundant, so there was no need to keep that in there, but I did add a little bit. So we decided that we might need to test the tree out before actually putting it all together. So we had to make sure that it worked, the lights worked and everything. So that's what we did right there. And then my boyfriend wanted to see how far the remote works. So he went all the way to the bedroom to make sure that it worked from the room for those nights where we're already laying down and we don't want to get up to turn the lights off. So that's what we're doing right here, is just testing it out. So right here, he was a little sad that the tree didn't go as high as he wanted it to go. He wanted the tallest tree ever, and it didn't go as high as he wanted it, but it went pretty high. So we opted to do a bow on top of the tree instead of a star, since the tree was kind of touching the ceiling a little. So we did decide to go with a bow, which we didn't put in this video. This is part one of the decorating. We didn't have our bow or our tree skirt yet, and then we ran out of ornaments. So it will be a part two to this video, but we did get a lot done in this particular video. He just loved playing with the lights, y'all. He was playing with the lights all night. So now we are done with everything that we had to do for the tree. So now I'm just adding little small decor around the house to make it just more Christmassy and in the holiday spirit. So now I'm gonna switch the throw out on the couch. I already washed it and everything because you know people just touch on stuff at the stores. So I already washed the throw blanket. And here I'm just trying to decide how I want the pillows. So I couldn't decide. It just looked like too much red was going on. I couldn't get it together. It was throwing me off. It was too much going on. I feel like it was too crowded. So you're going to see me play with them a little bit. But I am going to eventually remove the red pillows. And instead of putting them in here, I just opted to put them in my bedroom because I forgot to get pillows for the bed. So I'm just going to put the red pillows in the room. So now I'm just vacuuming, as you can see, vacuuming the floor. No, my carpet is not dingy. This couch has been sitting in that same spot for 2 years. So obviously, the pressure from the couch sunk into the carpet, and that's why it looks like that. It no longer looks like that today. It all blends together. So no, my carpet is not that dirty. My carpet actually still looks the same as it did when I first moved in, which is kind of surprising because I do have dogs, but then again, my dogs are potty trained, so I don't have to worry about any accidents or anything on the floor. So this completes part 1 of my decorate video. Sorry I had to record this clip on my phone, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for part 2 of when I decorated some more in the house. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and until next time, bye.